Hi, my name's Joel Miller. I'm a senior project engineer working for Avopiling in Victoria. Came across to Avo for this project at Avopiling, and yeah, I've been here ever since.
I've been with Avo itself just over 11 years, but my dad did piling before that for all his life as well. He also worked with Avo for like 20 years, so that's how I've got into doing piling. Whatever needs to be done, we do, that's it.
I've been doing piling now for 9 years, and it was something I sort of came across by chance thanks to previous employment and people I knew. And then having Avopiling as an option, as a career to not only do a D-wall, but to do a D-wall at this scale and have a project and take it cradle to grave over 3 years was something that interested me. I'd never worked with machines of this size before, so that was something I was definitely interested in, and being able to deliver as a part of a small team.
Why I love my job is because I can actually see something physical and tangible as an outcome of all the effort that we do put in. We're only the first step in what is a pretty big process to get this from what is nothing into a tunnel. I don't think people quite realise the amount of effort that goes into getting these sorts of things built and ready for people to use every day.
This project we're on is actually the biggest D-wall they've done. We've done a lot of D-walls everywhere, but this is the biggest on scale what they've actually done.
No one in Australia owns more than one or two D-wall cutter, hydromill type machines. Avopiling's now got 4 in the business. And to have a project set up with brand new equipment, we had 2 brand new Bauer cutters, brand new Bauer grabs, and brand new Cabelco cranes, all capable of cutting hard rock up to here. I think the deepest is 30 metres, but we can go sort of 60 metres with this gear. It's capable of delivering any D-wall project Australia-wide.
It's almost, once in a career type opportunity to be on the same project for 3 years and on such a high profile, highly publicised project, with the scope that we've been tasked to deliver. It's been challenging and exciting all in one.
Your finished product is what everyone sees, and it's your reputation. Avopiling's had a reputation as being the best at D-wall in Australia, the biggest private business in Australia doing D-wall that isn't publicly owned. So they've always had a name for doing D-wall and delivering it on time, on budget. So there was always that reputation to upstand as well, making sure we do our part and deliver something not only for us, but our families, our grandkids will get to use it.
If you want to listen and learn and don't mind getting dirty, that's the biggest thing. You just got to listen and learn. That's it, hands on, have a go, all of that.
I've delivered bridges and roads and stuff, and it's always cool to go and say, I worked on that, or however long it was. So it's going to be cool to have this here for forever.
5 years' time, or whenever they open the tunnel, to be able to drive through and know that I had a big part to play in getting at least that element of the project complete. It's exciting and something to be proud of.